Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. This is Elaka here and I'm back with a brand new video. Before I proceed with this video today, I just want to send a quick reminder for those who are new to my channel. Please click on that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed, and of course the bell button so that you can receive notifications every time I upload new content. And of course please do give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and of course do share this video if you find it at all helpful. Now to the title of the video, have you ever found yourself in a situation where you completely lost your YouTube channel? And have you found that it's been such a dud because you have hundreds of content that you have spent so much time and energy in that you feel you are never ever going to be able to retrieve or recreate for that matter? Well, I am here to put an end to that for you. You might not be able to get back your YouTube channel, but there is a way for you to be able to retrieve your content and re-upload it to your new YouTube channel. Of course, this is if any of your videos have been in violation of the terms of use for YouTube. Do not re-upload the videos that caused your channel to be shut down in the first place, but at least this gives you a fighting chance of retrieving your old content and being able to re-upload them, especially if some of them were fan favorites. These are the steps that you are going to have to take. First thing you are going to find that you need to do, you have to go to your web browser and you have to go ahead and type in takeout.google.com. Once you have typed in takeout.google.com, you will find yourself on a page for Google Takeout, which basically says you account your data, export a copy of content in your Google account to back it up, or use it with a service outside of Google. And at the bottom of that, you will find that there is a list of everything that is housed under your Google account, and you find that automatically Google will have them auto-selected. We are talking about your Google Photos, Google Drive, email, etc., that sort of thing. But scroll all the way to the bottom where you're going to find your YouTube and YouTube Music, which is what you need, but you're going to need to scroll all the way back up. First, deselect so that you can deselect all the other items, as that's not what you want to export. All you need is the YouTube and YouTube Music, so select that and then click on next step. When you click on next step, it will take you to the next page, and the next page basically is for the destination, where it asks you where you would like your content to be sent to, which is your email. And then afterwards you have to choose the frequency on how you would want to export your content, whether it's on a regular basis or just a one time. And then after, you have to choose the format that you need, as well as the size per folder, so that if you've got loads and loads of files, it will basically compartmentalize them for you. Once you've managed to successfully click on export data, you will then be notified that you will be receiving an email to tell you when your content is ready for download. And then when you get to your email, you will then see an email that says your Google data is ready to download. And in there you will find the list of files that you need to download, and they will be numbered accordingly. When you click any of them in order to download it, it will take you to your email address where you have to input your password. This is for security reasons, to make sure that it's you. And that will take you to the dashboard that will allow you to actually start downloading your content, which in this case, if like me you chose the zip file format, your files would have been put into separate zip files, and then you just have to go down the list downloading each and every one of them. After you've finally finished downloading your content, all you have to do is go to the destination folder where you have gone and downloaded those files, and in that destination folder, that is where you are going to basically find all your downloads for your YouTube account. Within the folder, the first thing you need to do is unzip the folders. Once you unzip the folders, when you go into any of the folders, you will see it is nested. So you have to keep going down, down, down until you find the video folder where you find all your videos. And voila, that is literally everything. That, ladies and gentlemen, is how you can retrieve all your YouTube videos, even if you have completely lost your YouTube channel that you will never get back again. I hope you find this video helpful. Again, please do not forget to click on that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed, and of course the bell button so that you can receive notifications every time I upload new content. And of course, please do give this video a thumbs up. as well as leave your comments down below, and of course do share this video. Until next time, from me, I wish you all the blessings the Lord has to give. Take care and goodbye.